If you ask most people what the artificial intelligence revolution looks like, they will picture a text box, a simple conversational interface. But look at this diagram of a standard large language model interaction. A user types a prompt, the node processes it, and an answer comes back. The moment the exchange ends, the connection instantly resets. The system retains zero persistent state. Close the window, and the model forgets everything you just discussed. It exists in a state of absolute, perpetual amnesia. Human cognition relies on maintaining context, long-term goals, and a continuous sense of identity over time. A purely reactive, forgetful text generator cannot replicate that kind of continuous intelligence. We can see the limits of this architecture when we watch how these models behave under enterprise pressure. Trying to force complex, multi-step business workflows through a single text prompt is like stacking these featureless glass spheres. Eventually, they shatter under their own weight. A standalone model lives in strict isolation. It cannot natively press a button, query a live database, or trigger a sequence of real-world infrastructure commands. It also cannot divide a project among specialized subroutines or share context between a sales department's memory and a legal department's guardrails. Adding more parameters or training data to a model will not fix this. The inability to orchestrate external tasks is a structural wall in AI development. Unlocking deeper utility requires moving beyond the concept of AI as a standalone application. While model development continues, a separate focus has emerged: building a comprehensive software ecosystem called the AI operating system. This side-by-side comparison shows the structural difference between these two approaches. On the left, a traditional operating system routes hardware resources and file systems. On the right, an AI operating system routes reasoning chains and language models. This process is known as cognitive orchestration. Rather than scheduling software processes or managing memory allocation for applications, it actively coordinates logic, tools, and external data pipelines. The AI transitions from a static tool sitting idly on a server into a persistent, intelligent environment that operates continuously in the background. We can see how this environment operates by building the architecture layer by layer. The first critical layer is a persistent memory architecture. By storing semantic context and episodic history across external vector databases, the system stops suffering from amnesia. It retrieves user preferences and traces past decisions across entirely separate sessions. But memory needs action. Autonomous nodes called AI agents attach to the perimeter, planning tasks autonomously. These agents connect to a tool ecosystem, interacting directly with APIs and enterprise databases to bridge digital reasoning and real-world execution. At this stage, the system risks becoming chaotic. With sprawling memory, active agents, and external tool calls, the network can suffer from latency. To prevent collapse, the architecture requires context management. This intelligent traffic controller dynamically filters data, accessing only the exact tools needed in that specific moment. This stacked orchestration layer allows the system to maintain complex intelligence without it dissolving into noise. This stable architecture allows the system to wake up. Rather than waiting for a user to type a question, the system becomes event-driven. It monitors streams of enterprise telemetry, scans incoming security events, parses internal emails as they arrive, reacting to triggers on its own. Because the system operates continuously, engineers build in a layer of observability. When the machine makes a poor choice, administrators can trace the exact chain of logic, replay the workflow, and isolate the specific bad decision. Self-monitoring, continuous action turns a simple text generator into reliable digital infrastructure. As the underlying language models become increasingly commoditized, the true value of artificial intelligence is migrating into these orchestration layers. This vertical timeline stacks the historical eras of computing. We started with hardware, built operating systems on top, added applications, and moved into the cloud. Now we are capping the stack with an entirely new computational layer, cognitive infrastructure. As this infrastructure matures, the way humans interact with computers will shift. The era of manually clicking through a dozen different software applications to complete a single task is closing. The user interface of the future is a connection to an intelligent orchestration environment, a system that manages your external actions, tools, and workflows autonomously. These persistent operating environments suggest the conversational interface was only the first step toward a much larger orchestrated digital environment.